Hey y'all, I'm editing this video real quick, but I'll go ahead and tell y'all this is a squirrel hunt from 2020. Yes, 2020. This will be 2 years ago that we did. I just never had the time to edit it, so I'm doing it now. Sorry for the delay. This was I think it was Big E's last squirrel hunt. So we got a group of us, and we had a pretty good hunt. And so anyway, here it is. Hope y'all enjoy, and then we'll be on turkey season. What's up, guys? Doing some squirrel hunt today. Another squirrel hunt. This time we got a lot of people. Last year we got 3 rangers with 10 of them, and it's a pretty day. It's the last day in February. I think the last day of the season, I'm not sure. We came down here to the camp house and see if we can kill any squirrels. We got about 5 dogs with us, and we're gonna see what happens. Got some new hunters, and hopefully we can kill a lot of squirrels. It's early, so we got plenty of time, about 3 hours probably worth of hunt. We don't have that much land to cover, but we're gonna try to make the best of it, and maybe we kill something.
Emily, come here, I'll put you on it.
Where's Leah? Come on! There he goes! Yeah! Can we kill him?
No, let's Ray shoot first.
You see him, right, Michael?
Yeah, I'm on it.
Where's he at, Kobe?
He's on this side!
All right, Nate, come here, stand right here. Where you at?
He's about to move!
Stand right here. Is he on
Golly.
the tree she's on?
Yeah!
On the tree she's on.
Yes!
You better shoot him. Good shot. There you go. No, that's another good.
Y'all see another one?
Yeah, well, I'm gonna check it. That's his young squirrel.
Pretty far, isn't it?
Kobe.
Oh,
You watch it.
Yeah. There he is.
see another one?
No, that's the dang. Yeah.
Where?
There, right there. Right there.
Get him.
Go down this tree.
Get him.
Where's he at, Kale?
Hey, lay low.
Where's he at?
He fell.
There he is. He's getting that big tree right yonder.
I lost him.
He hit that big tree that's leaning over.
Right on the side, right there. That second tree is in that second tree. There he goes. There he goes.
There, I got him.
Got him. There he goes. Get him. Oh my God.
Hold up,
He
hold up.
fell again?
Hold up, he's in that nest.
Yeah, yeah.
Shoot the nest.
Well, you don't want to shoot him in it.
I'm just over here taking pics.
Wait, let me go shake you.
All right, go shake it.
Not the
Here, mine's
best.
better.
Hey, Nate, move forward that way. He's gonna run that way.
Oh, I was awful.
Look at how cute this is.
Take that on my hand.
Right here, Nate.
Mickey looks like he's going to rob a bank in the house.
He found it. Let's look cuter.
I think the lighting's here. 1, 2, 3. Cute.
Hush up. Oh, let me try to shoot him by the stem. You ain't going all the way to the net.
Well, did Kobe hit him? You think he's dead in there?
No.
No, they didn't hit him. I was watching. Oh.
He's hit. If he's hit, he ain't coming out of there. Yeah, he's probably about to die. I'm gonna touch him one time, Kobe, and see if he'll roll him out, all right?
Wait. She's barking at this tree. Hello. She's barking at the tree.
I just hit him in the net.
Come in here.
Huh?
He's moving that nest.
I know, I just hit him.
Yeah, you didn't
Where's
hit
he
him.
at?
Explode.
There he is. I told you he'd fall out.
He fell on Samuel. Dang, I hope I got that. I think I did.
With Samuel.
I didn't get Samuel though. I got the squirrel falling. Oh, turn around and look at it hurt. I thought he was laying in the tree.
Oh, go ahead. Get Samuel.
Yeah, Bobby, is the camera off?
No.
Let's play some
We can edit anything that's said.
southern style.
Dang.
I think you hit him when you shot the nest because he started flopping around in there. Just see when her head's not up that, looking up that tree.
Isn't he a he?
It's a she. It's Raven.
Oh, she thought it was Ace.
She doesn't know what she's talking
Ace didn't make the trip.
about. Ace isn't very good.
Let's move her on. She's got see, that's a real, well, yeah, that should be a real tree there. To be running off, and I can't tell. Y'all safe?
Yeah.
Whoa, there he is right here. Going right.
To the right.
Right there,
Right behind you.
right there.
Okay, so you're going back and forth.
Get still, Matt, because I'm going to move it when I get around here and move it to the side.
Take it off. Take it.
Yeah, and get up there and get ready for
Unless the hole in there, it's probably a hole. Some big hole somewhere. Come on, see no hole.
I see him. Okay, he's at the
Where's he at, Sam?
go straight up the main tree. Right. And then it forks once, don't go back for it, and there's a fork right there. Yeah. He's in the middle of that fork.
So shoot it.
Where,
Yeah, shoot up.
where's he at?
You see it?
Yeah.
There he is.
Shut it up! Get up very close. You got it.
Woo! Just let y'all know. We ready?
Yeah.
I see him.
Where? Oh, I see.
There you go.
He's on your side over there.
Oh, no, I see.
He gonna come back on this
Oh, no,
side.
I see.
See him?
No.
You know where last way he was at?
Yes.
Put the leg on him.
I got it.
He's at the second fort.
Up there.
On the other side.
He's on their side. I'm just moving around for y'all. Kobe, you see the squirrel?
Oh no, what you gonna move him?
Huh?
Move him, Randy.
Yeah, I'm moving.
No, see tight with your shoulder? No.
I'm moving. I'm moving.
No, stop. Just stop.
Randy wants to see all of them.
There he goes.
I can't find him.
He's right here. He's over here.
Don't shoot me, Randy. Don't shoot me.
In a hole.
Dang.
I don't miss that squirrel.
I did not like that squirrel coming down right there.
It just went in right here.
Yeah, he's probably all the way up the tree now.
Yeah, I ain't gonna let that squirrel get away.
How does y'all not shoot that?
My gun keeps jamming up. God dang it.
Yeah.
For sure.
He ain't coming out.
How do you die?
There's blood on the tree. Yeah, he probably can't even get back out. He's dead. He did.
Get on the tree. Get on the tree with a log.
Yeah, did I hear you shoot?
Yeah.
There's,
There.
She's gonna boil. She called us in pre-glue so close. Oh, I see it. I see him. All right. Oh, you want to shoot it?
I see it.
Randy, where's he at?
There's ammunition.
Randy,
Yeah.
where's he at?
He's on this,
He's on the
farthest
top
side.
of the tree on my side toward the river. He's on the main part coming back towards y'all. The main part going straight up. He's about 3 feet above that last fort.
You see him, Sam?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
Well, he's on the other side.
I can't see him, but I got it where he's talking
I
about.
know where he is. Randy, walk back.
I'm gonna make you move when you get ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, there he is.
I can't see shit.
I say, hang on.
Get him, man. Get him there.
I don't see.
He's at the top of the tree. Top of the tree. Top of the tree. Coming down.
Got him.
Got him.
I got him.
I got him.
I almost got him.
Samuel got it. I got him.
Look, next squirrel is Nate's. He ain't shot one yet.
Okay, we'll let
Come on, Katie.
It don't make a damn difference to me.
It does. We want you to come back.
All right, I got it.
Tell me when you're ready, man.
I'm right. I'm ready. Kill him.
Right there. Right there. Get it. Get it.
Somebody kill him.
I got it, baby. I got it. He did it. He did it.
No, he ain't. Not yet. He's still running.
Right there. That little.
Where is he?
He's hit.
He's in that fort.
Push out there.
Did you see that shot, baby? Hit him in the air, baby. He did. He fell.
Well,
Yeah. I hit him in the air.
no, he's still in
He did. That was running.
Well, he wasn't gonna. Was gonna like
You see
get away.
that shot, guys?
It was now and then.
Nobody
He
saw
did. The dog's got
Hit him
him.
in the air, baby.
She's got him.
Nobody saw that shot, by the way.
Shit, they saw it.
I saw it. I didn't see him fall, though.
Yeah, he fell.
You got that. I hope the hell you got that shot in the air.
Did you get it?
Oh, shit.
Where's he at?
Got him. Hell yeah, Cole. You asked, Samuel, you asked me a favor. I did it, baby. Woo! Whatever you asked.
Yay!
Leah, hold up. Leah, stay up here for a second. We got a fifth right.
Perfect.
How many does that make? Do you know, Samuel?
Which one? Are you having fun? Have your wife on your pool? I thought you did go on the Facebook.
Hold him up.
See that mist right there?
There he is. He's in it. Well, hold on. Hold on. Hold up, Leah. Come here.
Right now.
Come here, right here, Leah. Somebody turn him. All right, turn him. I'll turn him. Okay.
I see him right now.
Yeah, he's turning. He's turning. He's turned, Toby. Where is he? He's right before those limbs.
You're gonna shoot right next to him?
No, he's turning. He's not there no more.
I see him right there.
No, you don't.
I promise
No, I don't think you do.
he's sitting right there looking at him.
You sure?
Yeah. I can see his ass up the tree right now.
Show, go to him, Leah.
Here, show Bill.
Right here, you see him?
There he is, go. He's coming down, he's right there.
Randy got him.
Randy got him.
Might have been good.
My gun was jammed. Did you get it, Cal?
My gun was jammed.
Mine was too. Mine stopped.
Randy got him 60 shots later.
Didn't want that one to get away, did we? It's fair game in the same tree, but once you get out of that tree, it's mine, guys.
Randy, we have this tree on lockdown.
Oh, no.
Our guns are both jammed.
Going anywhere.
Our gun.
I was going for it. I saw it home.
Here, you want to take this gun, Leah?
Come on, Kato, come on. Kato, I know you smell one right there. We gotta get a hot one, baby. Smells over there. You can't go 5 feet without smelling something. I don't like it.
I think it's that big tree right there.
What is she doing?
Alright, y'all. Hope y'all can see me. Letting rivers out right now. But just want to say, hope y'all enjoyed that video. Sorry it took a little while to post it, but still had the footage and been wanting to do it, just didn't get around to it. I'm glad we did it because that was didn't know at the time, but that was Biggie's last squirrel hunt, so pretty special. Anyway, still gonna post. Still got one more deer season video, and I'll still work on it. Waiting on Michael to send me some footage, and so I gotta get that one out and do the last one. So be prepared for it, and then like I said, maybe another squirrel video and some things in February, and then we'll be on the turkey season. So appreciate y'all watching, and hit that subscribe button. We'll see y'all in the next one.